to a beginner's guide to universal design. Each week we will talk about universal design, its principles, and where we can see it in the world around us. So, what is universal design? According to the National Disability Authority website, universal design is the design and composition of an environment so that it can be easily accessed, understood, and used to the greatest extent possible by all people, regardless of their age, size, ability, or disability. Who does universal design benefit? You may think that this is geared towards those with disabilities, but the truth is that universal design benefits everyone. Instead of designing for some and excluding others, items are designed to be better for all. There are 7 principles that make up the foundation of universal design. Each week we will cover one of these principles and consider examples of how they have been put to use. Today we will start with the first, equitable use. Equitable use occurs when the design is useful and marketable to people with diverse abilities. Guidelines for this principle include: provide the same means of use for all users, identical whenever possible, equivalent when not. Avoid segregating or stigmatizing any users. Provisions for privacy, security, and safety should be equally available to all users. Make the design appealing to all users. It may help us to see some examples. Let's start with what equitable use looks like when we use technology and plan web design. One example would be an accessible website that can be read by a screen reader so that all users have access to its content. Another example would be a video that not only includes its normal sounds, but descriptions of what is taking place, captions, and transcripts of what is said. We see physical examples of equitable use in our daily life. Maybe you have noticed one of the following items: ramps instead of stairs or steps, motion sensing doors that open, elevators to multiple levels. It should be noted that to be truly accessible, elevators should announce the floors they arrive on, both visually and with audio, and should include Braille on the buttons. This week, take time to notice the physical spaces you encounter, as well as the technology you depend on each and every day. Is it designed with all users in mind? Join in next week to hear about design principle number 2, flexibility in use. See you next time.